Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
anyone that I bring in the hand of the enemy to take us back to the land of Egypt, which we have left for years ago, the person and his family must be wiped away. When I'm but it's not talking in radio. We are serious of what's going on. Enough of this nonsense. We are not to anybody called we don't care what anybody that see anybody anywhere see anybody see anyone look like Solido and the rest of them being supposed to came down. Even though you take your life, take the person that is in history created that something happened. Social time like this. You look at what is happening in the state. Is he not the government that calls people and ask they have surrounded them? As these men listen to their leader, they follow up. He mobilized them and asked the government of the zoo, the president of the zoo, to sign them nominations. He dodged it. He started dodging it. The man improved and decided that he must take protection. He must protect his people, mobilize his people, and ask them to go ahead with your ammunitions anywhere you can get it. Get it, and also he have given you the order to use them to protect them. Because one life go, one life have vanished, generation have gone. So for that reason, their people are protecting their own land in Benue State now. Yes, you have that. Yes. So what am I saying? Anyone that come from the Biafra, you can produce to level the feeling that that's your brother that is dealing with. Bring him down so that let there be cleanness in Biafraland, because the Biafra must not see the evil ones. We not see the holy land of Biafra. In Chukwukikabiama's name, I pray.
You say. Thank you. We must proceed. We must make progress. I see some people are trying to call. Sorry, the last caller took a little time. They want to cut him while he was on air. Okay, so we must make progress. We must continue. So this is what we are saying. The mission of these people is to ensure. Okay, welcome back. You have 1 minute to wrap.
Yes, thank you, my dear brother. Yes, my dear brother. Thank you very much. I just want to thank you for making my call for the second time. I was interrupted. So, Mazi, my name is, like I said before. Now, we are now crying about our leader, his health condition, and the world are quiet. Tomorrow, America will start talking about who is doing election violence will not come to America. Now that an innocent man that was crime against by the same Nigeria who has admitted it, UN has directed his unconditional release. The Nigerian court in Umaya has directed his unconditional release. America will not talk. Are you with now? Talk about the infiltrators. Do you know? Well, let me first of all make this announcement before I conclude with the infiltrators. I want to encourage Biafrans for us to continue to support ESN. It is our duty, it's our responsibility, and we'll have to do that through the means approved by HOD, DOS. It is very important. So I have the numbers for Biafrans in Europe and Biafrans in America. These numbers are from IPOB National Body, signed by IPOB National Coordinator of Italy, and it is for you to support EFN. You are in Europe. Your country of domicile does not matter because they will direct you on the appropriate channel to support ESN. You can get the numbers on WhatsApp or on Signal. Now, the first number is +39 35100 46055. This is IPOB National Coordinator. And the second is +39 371 304490. This is IPOB National PRO number in Italy. If you call any of them, they will direct you on the appropriate channel to support ESN, as long as Biafran, Friends of Biafran, or any group that is affiliated to Biafran, and you are Europe as a continent. Therefore, Biafrans in America continent, we also have Dr. Tina, known as Dr. Money, and the number is +1 655 2 3333. I'll call again 1 2 552-3333. You can get her on Signal. Dr. Tina, known as Dr. Money. You are a Biafran, Friends of Biafrans, group affiliated to Biafran of Lovers of Our Freedom in the continent of America. You call Dr. Tina and you will be directed on the appropriate channel to support. Now, Mazi, talk about the infiltrators.
Mazi,
I will not do that anyway.
Mazi,
Yes.
you have taken 3 minutes already. I think maybe we'll do that another time so I can take other people's calls.
Just for the update time, I want to say that that has created group in Italy, and they are attaching IPOB to the name of their group, sending their parts for our people to defraud our people. They should lead our people to disregard it. IPOB is registered in Italy, and our people should not say we are not going to allow that to continue because we are going to take the appropriate that. So we are forewarning them to avoid Hadainu. Thank you very much, Master Rinemi, and Chukwabema bless you from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Hello, good morning, and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Your name and where you're calling from, and please, you have 3 minutes for your contribution.
Okay, thank you very much. Good morning, my brother. Let me see the messenger of the paper. Before charity begins at home, I have a very important message to deliver to my little brothers. And it's very, very important. Number one is, what the Fulani is practically, around the world, practically moving an actionable plan to achieve their intention. We are sitting on a second moving chair that goes to nowhere, mountain Biafra of our mouth, that we are not doing anything to it. Each day that passes draws us closer to our grave. And this is a message that's very much important to my people. Let me tell you to start with. If God does not know that we are capable of handling the situation of our generation, He wouldn't make us the people of this particular generation. It is important that we know that we are able to achieve the possible in the generation. Therefore, we must have courage, because courage does not have the faith. That is the most important thing. Then one other thing that happens is this, when the devil wants to, he gives you self-hate and all that, put you away from all the whole people that will be able to serve you, so that you can be isolated for the devil to destroy you. I want my Igbo brothers particularly to have that belief that we are able to make the possible changes in our generation and bring glory to our Lord Jesus Christ. That is first and foremost. We are able. Then secondly, we must have the spirit of discernment, scrutiny, scrutinizing every action. Nobody is holier than thou. Everybody must go through a microscope of scrutiny of what to be able to know the saboteurs in our midst. Without the saboteurs, the stranger cannot know our backyard. That is one of the problems we are facing. And let me tell you one thing. We have less than 150 days to determine whether Biafra will come or whether Biafra will not come. We have from now to the so-called presidential election. I don't believe in election. But please, allow me to say something. When you draw one tree, it got another one. And it's very, very important. Now, let me tell Nigerians about the election. Let me say. INEC have tentatively put their voters register replacement or to display their voters register. They have tentatively put it to January. Knowing that when you accept the January, the hurry that comes within the election, you will have no time to scrutinize the voters register. The next thing is election. My namesake, Ction, made a very fundamental revelation about the election. He have half of the key, and I have the other half of the key to make it to show our people why the election cannot take place. You see the disclosure that Ction made about gender exchange and picture. You see the picture of a male and then the name is a female and all that. Why? Because at the election, the census is keyed into this particular election they are talking about. Why? Because the INEC machine they are using does not recognize their fingerprint. What is recognizing the photograph? That is what they are doing. That Bamat recognizes photograph. So what have they done about the election? Let me tell you. The Fulani is Santami. He is the man that is in charge of digital distance, digital computer, whatever it is. They have taken the Fulani now. Let me tell you about it. In one of time on the past, she told me that the Fulani population is 50 million. It's not a joke. They are the largest ethnic population in Nigeria, the largest ethnic group in Nigeria. What have they done? All the Fulani, you see that they have come everywhere all over the place. Their biometric data are already keyed into the computer of Nigeria. They're already Nigerian citizens. That is what is happening. So all these things you see, every part of any place you go in Nigeria, the Fulani will take over. That is why they have the Muslim ticket. Because all they have to do is they need 2 million people to win an election here, or 500,000 people to win an election here. They have those 500,000. They are named already there. All they do is to go and move them there. They put some with it and their fingerprint, and they vote and hear out. That is how the census do. They have killed into the census. What the population in the census that they are more than 40 million. So when you see all these people coming from all over the place and coming to the community and development, they are not coming to go back. They are coming to settle permanently as Nigerian citizens. That is what they're going to do. And this is the final.
Mazi, because of time.
So you're not saying,
hello.
Now, please, 1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute is 1 minute is,
1 minute
is much.
No,
You have 30 seconds. Round up.
We may not get our check tomorrow. Allow me to tell you something. Just 1 minute. You see, there was a time Simon Ekpa was playing a clip that DAS gave him about Tofu Zarima. That Tofu Zarima was an ex-armed robber. So this armed robber that was executed. That was true. They gave him that clip in order to put Tofu Zarima in check.
Sir, we must continue. The lines are open and you can call. The lines are open. You have only 3 minutes to call, and please try to stay within your time and give the necessary informations that you should give. Hello, good morning and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Your name and where you're calling from?
Yeah, Master, good morning. Good afternoon.
Okay, yeah, good morning.
Hello?
Yeah. Right on, your name and where you're calling
from? Yes, Master, my name is Paul, calling from Gabon, Master.
Okay, right on, my brother.
Yeah, yes, Master, yes. First of all, I want to greet Chukwu Kike for the life of our leader and the life of Biafrans and IPOB around the world. And especially we in the Gabon, because Gabon is the ladder of Biafran nation around the world. Because Gabon, Ivory Coast, all those African countries who recognize Biafran nation during the Ojukwu, our Ojukwu era. So I want to people who are really around Oduchuare, because I will tell you Oduchuare because it's Oduchuare. Because I want to tell them that the thing in Britain did in 1960, they are planning to do it again because of the foolishness of our people. Our people used to forget things easily because this man now they are running with him. The man who killed our people and dumped them in the river. Because I want to tell them that even if that man entered that hospital, I want to tell our Biafran that man will be worse than Jibril. Because our people, they are deaf. They used to forget easily. They used to, I don't know which kind of this, I don't know which kind, which this our Fulani people and Britain has, which our people, they cannot reason, they cannot see, they can even go sometimes and I say, imagine if somebody is seeing you and looking somehow, you must understand why that person at you. But our people, they cannot see, they are daft, they are pursuing money. They are pursuing money, they come to our hands and collecting money to kill their brothers. You discover what we are doing, but I need to tell them that as far as God of Almighty to go tell them is what we are doing. All those saboteurs, both in diaspora, both in Biafraland, both in the zoo, all of them are going down. All of them are going down because it cannot happen. After this free selection, we have already concluded. Now we finish. You see those people, they turn back again and start crying. Oh. NSAS, what happened in NSAS? Now, can you see people are killing people? Our leader said it to me that NSAS. Do whatever you will do so that these people will flee away. But our people pursue us and then see where we are today. And they have come again in this year's obituary election. See what is going to happen to them. Now, concluding you are going to be in that free chancellor to Islamize the zoo, continue to Islamize the zoo. But I want to tell all their fans, Nigeria IPOB to stand up because we must change the strategy to destroy these people and do sabotage. Oh, Mazi, thank you. Because it has been a long time I've never speak in this radio because of my job and one thing or the other. But I want to tell all their fans that we are IPOB, we are firm, we are resolute, we are determined of freedom we are looking at we are looking about, because this election we don't need it. There is no way to go back anyway. So what they're doing is rubbish. When the full steam nonsense they're doing, they will come down and do what IPOB have been asking. That is referendum. Thank you, Mazid,
Thank you
for the opportunity you give to me. Thank you for all the efforts around the world on the IPOB.
Thank you very much. We must proceed. Hello, the caller from Skype. Good morning and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Your name and where you're calling from. And please, you have 3 minutes.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Bless you so much. My name is Mark. Yes, my name is Mark. I'm calling from France. This morning you treated a great topic. In Igbo land, we call that topic Oke Amunsu. Oke Nahatajana Fufuyi in Igbo land. And what I'm trying to say, number one, let us go back to Sonudo. When Sonudo started, I can remember when our lovely brother Jonathan, Mazi Jonathan, always sent some information concerning one of the politicians in Abuja who said that Igbo people are foolish people. They are in another way. They use it. He said, and that thing stopped us, and the chairman were trying to praise Sonudo that he is going to be a solution. And they said that he's going to do, compare him to do some what they are doing in Abuja and Lagos, what is going on in Dubai, and he's going to change the Anambra state to become equivalent like Abuja and Lagos and Dubai. No, we don't know that those people were criminals that are paid in able to come in our land after the program of freedom that we are by trying to destroy the defense land, which is network, and also destroy people's focus, the IPOB, the just, and also to put them confused because they know if tomorrow Nigeria is Islamized, they are going to fly away and they go and they nationalize in one place or another, in another country, or even in another African country. The only thing they can do is to visit Nigeria or their home once in a blue day. Those people that are put there, they will become a forgotten people. That one, let us keep that one aside. Second, our leader said that this Joe Igbo is found in Igbo land, and he just said it. And also, say that we will see him do anything or do anything it's not welcome. You, Joe Igbo, were the one who do more in UD last few days ago in state, and they allowed that man to become part of the masquerade in UD. And our Biafran people see all those things, according to the nation, and allow Joe Igbo to enter inside our land, even to become part of the masquerade dancer. And it is very, very appalling. And the third one, to cut everything, please, my African rep, I'm begging you, you are doing a lot, but don't listen to nobody. Any criticize that coming, trying to weaken you, is a kind of a vitamin A, vitamin A and vitamin D to help you to be moving focus. But don't see it as a withdrawing object to withdraw your struggle. So please, and God will bless you. God bless you and God bless Biafra. My name is Mark. I'm calling from here. God bless everybody. Bye for now. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mazi. God bless you. We must proceed. Hello, good morning. The caller from Signal. Good morning and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Your name, where are you calling from, and please have 3 minutes.
Good morning. Good morning, my African rep. Kisilo Zirgo calling from Morocco. My brother, Soludo P2B is a one man. They may cook for us, we will eat it all. But we IPOB will cook for them, they will never eat it all. I'm telling you, IPOB is here to stay. It's here after IPOB dealing with these people. Believe me, including that north, anywhere they see the nearest, anywhere they are moving on the street, you see 1 naira, they will take it to the nearest police station. This is where we are going. Soludo or no Soludo, we are here, no going back. These people go to their M16, FBI. Oh, they know that yes, these guys have know what they know. I mean, they have no two head. You got somebody arrested. Police will take him, if the case is too much, they take him to the lab. That lab is Libya. The same thing they know, we know. Mazi African rep, I'm telling you, we go nowhere. We must redeem ourselves from this bondage. Never, never. These guys, they are calling their name. As long as I'm an IPOB under Martin Namdekalo, my God, these guys did not shake me at all. Rather, what I will do in my heart, this is what is my solution. Keep it on. All hail Biafra.
Biafra will heal thee. Thank you very much. The time is fast spent. The time is fast spent, and let me take this last caller. Hello, good morning, and welcome to Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. Please, because of our time, try to manage our time. Spend 2 minutes and be very brief with your contribution. Thank you. Oh, it seems he's battling with network. He's having network challenge. We must continue. This is Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. I'm your host. My name is Kumawe Tarinemi. And I want to apologize for a while I've not been on air. And it's because there are some very important things that we are handling. Because you should know that our duty is not only on radio. We also do some other things that we'll have to take our time and take our attention sometimes. So, but as much as we can, we'll ensure that we are able to come on air and address issues that at the end of the day, the zoo will crumble and Biafra will be restored. Hello, good morning. You are live on air. This is Radio Biafra Voice of the Coast. I want to use your call to round up. Please, you have 1 minute. 1 minute. Just go straight to the point as much as you can so that we're not going through our time. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah, I said you have 1 minute. Go straight to the point so that, because we are rounding up. Right on.
Yes, Mazi. Good morning, Mazi. I greet you. I tried to call you, but a lot of calls coming in. So, good morning. My name is Mazi Okoye. I'm calling from Colorado, USA. So, Mazi, first of all, I want to thank you so much for all you've been doing, your time and everything. I appreciate you so much, and I want to please encourage you. Please don't give up. Don't let the side talks kind of trying to discourage you on what you are doing. We appreciate you. We encourage you to keep on, please. I want to greet my able leaders in the EOS, Chika Woru. I'm sorry, Chika Woru and the Chika Dosium. I greet my leader Nandekano, and I'm praying for him every day for his fast release. Well, I called this morning because somebody was, called this morning. He was preparing that thing in Finland in this Halo platform. I don't know what's wrong with our people. If you call this Halo platform, stop preparing that thing in Finland to hold what we're doing here. That guy is inconsequential. That's a part. So, my point again is, I don't know why our people is killing our people, helping the Fulani to get our land. You never hear any Fulani man kill Fulani in their land. You never hear any Yoruba man kill the Yoruba in the land. Why is our people killing our own people that will protect us in the future? Because these are people that will guide us, that will fight for us if anything happens. Why are they killing us? Why are they killing our youth? You know, it kind of pains me in my heart that I see our governors killing us, killing our youth. It's so disgusting. It's so troubling. So, my brother, I just pray that God will give you more grace. Please don't give up.
So, my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.